Have you ever found yourself asking, how can I master the world of digital marketing? If you have, get ready for a voyage into the vast cosmos of digital strategies, where every pixel and click are of utmost importance. Welcome to a short animated course from Digital Secretz, your guide through the complex maze of online business promotion. Imagine digital marketing as a concept as broad and intricate as the universe itself, encompassing countless strategies, each as important as the next. But don't worry. Today, we pull back the curtain, revealing the secrets behind successful digital marketing strategies in a simple step-by-step format. First up, picture search engine optimization, or SEO. It's all about enhancing your website's visibility for relevant searches. The higher your pages appear on search engine results pages, the better your chances of catching attention and drawing potential customers to your business. So how does one become proficient in SEO? Begin by concentrating on keywords, those sought-after search terms that people input into search engines. Incorporate these keywords smartly in your website content, meta descriptions, and title tags. Keep in mind, relevance and quality are the kings in the kingdom of SEO. Next, envision social media marketing. In this era, where social media platforms reign supreme, utilizing their power can propel your brand to new heights. Craft engaging content that connects with your audience. Use captivating visuals, catchy captions, and don't hesitate to add a touch of humor. Interact with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your brand. Now, imagine content marketing, a strategy that involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and retain an audience. Content can vary from blog posts and videos to ebooks and podcasts. The secret here? Consistency and quality. Deliver value to your audience, solve their issues, and they will regard you as a trusted source. Email marketing, often overlooked, is a powerful weapon in your digital marketing arsenal. Collect email addresses from your website visitors and send them personalized emails. Provide them value, be it through informative content, special offers, or exclusive deals. Then there's pay-per-click PPC advertising, a great way to drive traffic to your website. You pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad, but the ROI can be substantial if you target the right audience with the right message. Lastly, picture analytics. Monitor your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on data, not assumptions. Digital marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's an ongoing process of learning, experimenting, and adapting. So dive in, implement these strategies, and watch your digital presence grow. Remember, the digital world waits for no one. So grab these strategies, customize them to suit your brand's needs, and secure your spot in the digital universe. Don't forget to share your results and the strategies that worked best for you. In the world of digital marketing, knowledge is power, and sharing that power benefits everyone. So share your journey, your triumphs, your setbacks, and your victories. In doing so, you contribute to the vast, ever-expanding knowledge base of digital marketing. Go forth and conquer the digital world with your newfound knowledge from Digital Secretz. The journey may be tough, but the rewards will be worth it. Remember, every pixel counts, every click matters. So make them count, make them matter. And with that, we conclude our short animated course. But remember, this is just the start of your digital marketing journey. There's an entire universe out there waiting for you to explore, understand, and conquer. So, what are you waiting for? The digital world awaits.